Okay guys, great to see you again. We're gonna have another giant surprise egg opening. But one thing I did want to show you, which I found, this is a knockoff dino I bought from China. They say it's a Carcharodontosaurus. It's a like I said, it's a knockoff dino. It's made by Floz, F-L-O-Z. I actually ordered quite a few of theirs. It's really good, high quality. But look at it next to the Indominus. This is a limited edition Indominus here, and this is the Carcharodontosaurus. Now tell me that is not the Indominus Rex with new coloring. It's gotta be Indominus Rex. They had to have used the Indominus Rex model, but look at that coloring. I mean, I love the job they did on it. I will be reviewing quite a few of these. I think I bought about 8 of them. They are superior quality, so I'll be reviewing those soon. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what we have in the giant surprise egg. And that is surrounded by Jurassic World toys. So I did buy all the most of the Jurassic World toys new again, because soon they'll be gone, and you know, I think they were awesome. Hopefully Mattel will do a better job with the Jurassic World 2 dinosaur toys, but I really liked the Hasbro ones too. I mean, call me a fool if you want to, but I do like them. Okay, then let's take a quick look at the toys we will be pulling out of our giant egg today and opening up. One of our first one is the Switch and Go Dinos. This says switch from dino to vehicle. This is made by VTech, and it is Tor the Theriznosaurus. Cool. So switches to a vehicle, from a vehicle to a dino, and it does have sound effects. Awesome. And then we'll be opening up this awesome Animal Planet set. It says Dinosaur Exploration. Includes a guy, a little helicopter, velociraptor, and a skeleton in the back there. Let's check it out. I did already review this one, so this is the one we're going to be reviewing today. It says Helicopter Playset. Velociraptor with mechanical action. Helicopter with disc shooter, action figure, fossil bones, and accessories. Cool. And of course, we're going to be opening up a new pack of the 15 Jurassic World dinos. I already have opened up quite a few, but as you can see, this has never been opened. So we will open it up and see if we can get any new color designs, which we haven't yet. And then we got some awesome 3D and 4D dinosaur surprise eggs. So here we got a blue one. It says part 2, and it looks like, I'm sure if they identify what dino. This is another dinosaur 3D puzzle one. This is a different brand of dinosaur puzzle 3D egg, and then we have this awesome one. It's like a crystal egg. Okay, well, let's get started. We're gonna start with the Switch and Go Dino. Okay guys, this little dino is hilarious. I mean, he has some really weird comments. Let's listen to a few of them. He has over 30 comments.
You play with Tor?
And his eyes flash different colors.
Scary. But don't worry, Tor, good dino. Tor's name means giant lizard. Tor's head walk on 2 legs. Look at Tor's claws. You know, Tor like pets. You throw a tree, okay? Tor like plants. Plants full of green candy. Terrific. Me, Tor, Ripper, roar.
And then he also, the other button here says sound effects. And then you transform him into a car. car. So just go ahead, hold this down, squeeze up, hold this up, hold his legs down here. And then he says different phrases too. That said, towards car strong and drive over anything.
Nothing stops Thor's car. Thor's like fast.
There's still lights up here.
Thor's car strong. Can drive over anything.
Then the sound effects also change the car sound effects. It rolls really nice and smooth too. I do like the
Driving fun. Come on, little turtle. Thor race faster than you. Thor drive off-road. Out of Thor's way. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Thor drive fast. Nothing stops Thor's car.
so it's hilarious, guys. And then to transform him back, really nice and simple. Then to transform him back, nice and simple. Drop these claws here. Swing out the windshield. Drop his legs down. Falls out. Drop his tail and flip his claws out up front here. So, there we go. And then he'll have the new sound effects for the dino again.
Throw that bitch. You throw tree, okay?
Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, then our next one's gonna be the awesome Dinosaur Planet set. Cool, the Animal Planet set. Okay, here's what's in the box before I unbox it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check this out. First of all, you get this cool helicopter here that comes with these discs. You just go ahead and load them right in here. Let me move that. And then it has a trigger down here. Just go ahead, pull the trigger, and it fires out the disc. Cool. And then it has place for the little guy. Go ahead, lift the front of the helicopter there, put the guy in, put the helicopter back. It spins around. This is an inexpensive set. I believe this is about $12 to $15 at Toys R Us. So it comes with a cool little helicopter with searchlight, like missiles on the front, the disc launcher, and then it also comes with this Velociraptor, which has an action feature, which is not much. I mean, it moves its mouth a little bit, and I guess it moves its arms. But you know, it's for an inexpensive set. It's not all that bad. I mean, there's not all that much you could expect from it. So they did a good paint job. White, black, blue color feature. They gave it the third claw there, so you could have some cool dinosaur battles with it. Have this guy like come up here, rip open the cockpit, quick, shoot him with the missile. So let's see if we can knock him over with the missiles. Almost. Okay, so that's a cool little set. Okay, so let's go with the brand new 15 pack here. I did cut it a little bit here. Let's go ahead and pull it off, open it up, check it out. Guys, like I said, I do got probably about 12 to 15 of these. Eventually, when I get them all opened, I'm gonna have a video, giant video with all of them. So, what would that? 15 times 15 is like 225. These little dinosaurs. So that's cool. They all come packaged in these little triangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and free them, and we will check them out. Okay, so we got all 15 of them unpacked. We'll go ahead and take a look at these in 1 minute. One thing I did want to mention was if you go online, you could see the new dinosaur types Mattel is going to be releasing next year for Jurassic World 2. And from what I've seen online, it seems like they're going back to the Kenner line. So they're gonna have like the big rubber dinosaurs, then they're gonna have like the smaller action featured ones, the really small type dinosaurs, and a bunch of action figures, which is cool. And hopefully they'll have like vehicles and buildings also, which would be awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these guys. Most of these packs you get one Indominus Rex. You're guaranteed to get one, but this one had two. So that is really cool. It's got the gray and green one, and like the tan and blue one. This one's a lot rarer to find. This one is a lot more common, and these all have the little JW logo there. And then this one has one Mosasaurus. This color is hard to find. Usually the color you'll get is like the it's like a gray and like bluish color. So this is one that does not come that in. I think I've seen this once before out of all the packs I opened. This is like a green, gray, black, and brown color scheme. And then we have well, this one actually comes with two Stegosauruses. You can see it's two different color schemes. This one's like a brown and gray. This one's a green and almost like a light brownish type color. So these are really cool too. And by the way, I'm not sure if I mentioned it. These are about $15 on Amazon. So I'll put a link below the video if that's something you're interested in. You know, you get 15 cool little Jurassic World dinos for 15 bucks, about $1 a piece. They got good detail, good coloring. So here we have a Velociraptor. I don't believe I've seen this color scheme before. This is like a brown and almost like a greenish brown color scheme on the back there. And then Dimetrodon. Okay, this is one I have not got these colors before. He's got a green head, like a grayish purple back with green mixed into it. So out of the like 10 or 12 packs already opened, this is a new color scheme, which is cool. And then we have the Allosaurus. This one's a really common color you're gonna get, dark green with gray stripes. The Pachycephalosaurus, they gave me two of the same. This is a color scheme you don't get very often, because most of these you get like a dark green color scheme. So there is those. Spinosaurus, really cool. It's like a brown and black color scheme on that one. Ankylosaurus, this one's like a light brown, just a little bit darker than a tan. They did color the eyes and everything. Usually with the Ankylosaurus, you get a red one. And then the T-Rex, this is a very common color for the T-Rex. This and dark green. Triceratops, green and like olive green on top. Very common color for the Triceratops also. And then the Pterodactyl, like a light dark gray with a green splash on the head. So that is also a very common color for the Pterodactyl. Okay, so this one is the Parasaurolophus. So this one also does come in a bunch of pieces. Like I said, it is not fully disassembled when you get it. So if you want to keep it like it is and put it together, or you could fully disassemble it. So what I usually like to do is take a look at the parts, and most of it is pretty self-explanatory. So there would be its head, and then you've got like the leg pieces here. So they all do just fit into here really nicely, if you could figure out which way is up. So I mean, it's pretty amazing how these things go together. I mean, you see all the pieces and you're like, what are you supposed to do with that? But then when you get all the pieces together, it makes perfect sense. Just you have to put them together in the correct order too. See, I had to go ahead and take that back part off because these two pieces fit in here before you put that back part back on. And then you just go ahead and snap this back part together here. Once you get them in there, they're in there really nice and secure. And then you just go ahead and put on the leg pieces here. And then the head. And they do a really great job coloring these two. I bought a full box of these on Amazon. I believe it was 12 eggs. It was about $24. So if you want to go ahead and check that out. But there we go, Parasaurolophus. So great detail, great coloring. I really like the job they did with these guys. And then I got this like crystal egg, really nice, cool shape, purple, clear, see-through egg. So I'll just go ahead and snap it open. I believe this is a 4D dinosaur, and it looks like most of this is put together already. Let's go ahead, just to show you an example, I'm going to go ahead, snap the pieces off, and then put them back together. So, I'm going to start with the head here. They do snap on nice and securely. Sometimes you got to use quite a bit of force to get them to go on correctly. So there is the head, then we got to get the leg and the arms. Same on the other side. As you can hear, snap together there. I mean, it snaps together really nice and secure. So there we go. So I mean, it's ready for some pretty rough play without falling apart. So really cool 4D dinosaur egg. Okay guys, so those were the awesome toys we pulled from our giant magical surprise egg. Like I said, here is some of the other ones that I unboxed from Hasbro, but these ones are all brand new because I really do like their toys. So I mean, not the greatest quality on some of them, but they had some interesting colors and designs and stuff, so I did enjoy them. Well guys, that was awesome. I want to thank you guys for viewing, and if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Wow, guys, that was a lot of fun. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click subscribe and the thumbs up button down below the video. And today's secret word is the word. Go ahead and put that in the comment section down below the video. I'll know you're a member of my club. If you wait till the video ends, there's an awesome end card. There's a lot more fun videos, and I will see you soon. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.